there! Here are your top news stories from eWEEK, sponsored by Dell and Intel. Intel will invest $300 million over the next 5 years to fund initiatives to drive workforce diversification in the tech industry. CEO Brian Krzanich announced the plan during his keynote address January 6th at the 2015 Consumer Electronics Show, calling it part of a larger effort by the chipmaker to increase the diversity of its own workforce and to encourage other companies in the tech and gaming industries to follow suit. Along with the $300 million fund, the CEO also pledged that Intel will have full representation of women and minorities at all levels of the company by 2020. Samsung introduced its latest solid-state storage product at the CES 2015 show, the SSD T1, which can store up to a terabyte of content and weighs only about an ounce. Besides the 1 terabyte deluxe version, the SSD T1 also comes in 256 gigabytes and 500 gigabyte editions. The device retails for $180, $300, and $600 depending on the storage capacity of the device. Over the next few years, Samsung will ramp up its already aggressive efforts in the booming Internet of Things, ensuring that within 5 years, all of its hardware will be able to connect to the Internet. To support this effort, Samsung is investing $100 million this year in its Internet of Things developer program. Bu Kyun-yoon, Samsung's electronics president and CEO, gave a speech at CES where he not only talked about what Samsung will do over the next several years in the IoT market, but also stressed the need for openness and vendor collaboration to ensure the Internet of Things meets its full promise. At the CES 2015 show, Intel CEO Brian Krzanich also unveiled an array of new technologies the company is working on, with wearables being a central part of his presentation. Among the new devices Krzanich introduced on January 6th was the Curie Compute Module, which will serve as a development platform that device makers can use in a wide range of products, from smart bags and bracelets to watches, eyewear, and jewelry. Thanks for watching. Follow the links on this page to learn more about the stories mentioned in this broadcast, and check back every weekday for another daily tech briefing from eWEEK.com.